can scratch the antique furniture to sharpen up your claws. You can lacerate the cushions if you're ever stuck indoors. You can dig up all the flowers from the freshly planted beds. And with articles of clothing, it's okay to pull some threads. But I remember as a kindergarten kitten, one phrase that left me singularly smitten. You can play with your food before you eat it. You can chivvy your chow before you chew. You can play with your food, you can't beat it. So Ducky, let me play with you. You can play with your food before you bite it. You can toy with your tuck before the crouch. You can play with your food, why fight it? It's a crazy little game called lunch. So tell me, Ducky, what would you like to play? It can be anything. I won't tell your mother.
Anything? Well, I'd like to paddle the puddles down the mud, tickle sticklebacks in the shallows. Then maybe there's time goes slide to the marsh where you find marshmallows. Or go and slay a dragonfly, watch water moan and race. To say the cats are dangerous is clearly not the case.
I'd rather play a game that's sharp and witty, and preferably with something in the kitty. Oh, you want to play hide and seek, do you? Where are you? Am I getting warmer? You can't play with your food before you eat it. You can't chivvy your chow before you chew. You can play with your food, you can't beat it. So ducky, 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 let me play with you. You can't play with food before you find it. You can toy with your tuck before the crunch. You can play with your food, why fight it? It's a crazy little game. Do you like oranges?
I don't know, I never tried one.
Well, suck on this. It's a crazy little game.